Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about URL filtering and first I will show and discuss what is URL filtering, and then I will discuss why is it important, and then I will show you how to configure URL filtering on FortiGate environment, and then we can verify the connection. And I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and so you don't miss a video from me. And also, this is a FortiGate firewall configuration video series. So I request you to follow the playlist as well. If you are new to this video, it's also totally fine, and you can learn how to configure URL filtering in FortiGate environment. And let's go to the video. Okay, friends. So let's talk about URL filtering. And URL filtering means basically what you have to understand what is URL first. Yeah. So URL means that we say uh, universal resource locator, right? And if we get this web address, so this is a URL, right? Here we have the domain, right? And when we come when but this is Google, right? And we can get www.facebook.com as another URL. But when it comes to the organizations, right? Let's say this is an organization. I set up a new simplified topology, and let's say now these users don't know which websites or right which domains are bad or good, right? Like some websites may be malicious, right? So in that sense, administrators have to have the controllability which websites these users can access and not, so they can secure their internal environment, right? Okay, so because of that, in FortiGate, okay, in FortiGate environment, there is something called FortiGuard. Okay, so this is a service, right? This is a service from Fortinet, right? So what is the target in this FortiGuard is this analyzes all the websites in the world, right? Maybe there are 1 billion, 2 billion websites, and this FortiGuard service analyzed all those websites and uh, and it categorized which category the websites are fall under, right? And let's say uh, now this is actually the FortiGuard uh, uh, FortiGuard website, right? Here you can see I just uh, searched for f1.com, and you can see it recognized this one as sports category, right? And risk level as trustworthy, right? And likewise, we can search for another uh, website as well. Let's say CNN.com, right? So I have to do the verification first, and also I request you to and recommend you to watch this video till the end, so you will be getting the full idea of what is URL filtering is, and it will help you in the in your interviews or in the current job you are doing. Uh, yeah. Okay. Let's see whether this CNN.com falls under. You can see it is falls under news and media category. Risk level is trustworthy. So what happened is now uh, now when let's say new website has launched. Okay, let's say it is www.abc.com. Okay, so when new website registered, it FortiGuard gets that because it analyzes all the way what are new websites that are registering. And so FortiGuard will analyze this website in like context wise. So context means like what are the languages used in this website, and so what are the media, what can download, right? So those kind of information will be analyzed by FortiGuard. So after analyzing, the information gathered is sent to the FortiGate in our organization. So for that, there should be license activated on our FortiGate to enable the FortiGuard services, right? So there will be a license cost on that. If we have the license, if we have the full license, we'll get the this threat intelligence information, right? We say intelligence in cybersecurity terms. So FortiGuard is the threat intelligence platform of Fortinet, right? So we get that information to our firewall when new website, and also the existing websites with their category, and if they are bad, or if they are good, if they're malicious. So all those information will be sent to our FortiGate. So that is uh, what URL filtering, and that is how Fortinet URL filtering works. Okay, now let's talk about why this is important, right? Okay, so let's consider now users in our organization are trying to access YouTube, right? YouTube or Facebook, or right? YouTube is a video streaming platform, and Facebook is a social media platform. So those categories are there, as I showed you in the FortiGuard services website, right? And let's say now let's say now this website is just hosted, right? Now users don't know whether this website is a good website or a bad website, right? And also the organization is also don't know whether this is falls under good website or a bad website. So let's say randomly this user is trying to access this website, but but if we have this FortiGuard services activated on our FortiGate, and if FortiGate identified this website is in malicious group, right? This user will not be able to access this website through this FortiGate. So this is the importance of the service. And also let's say administrators decide that to our organization users, we are not allowing uh, new sports, right? Sports content, right? Just this is just an example, okay? Sports content, or sports content showing websites to be accessed, okay? In that case, we can use URL web filtering, or the URL filtering option in FortiGate to deny, right? To deny this category from accessing, right? So this is the importance of URL filtering in an organization, right? And okay, I think you get the knowledge and the uh, idea what is URL filtering is. And now we can go to the configuration how the URL filtering, and we can then verify the connection. Okay, okay, friends. So now let's go and configure URL filtering on FortiGate. Okay. Okay, so I have now logged into our FortiGate, and as I said, this is a basic topology, right? And I configured it like this. Uh, if I go to interface, yeah. So here you can see This is connecting to port 3, which is port 2 in FortiGate. And okay, let's log in again. Okay, here I created a sub interface as VLAN 10, right? And I have created a firewall policy to enable connection from VLAN 10 to the internet. Okay, so now let's before anything else, let's see whether we can access cnn.com. Okay, you can see from this Linux machine I have put inside our organization. It can access the CNN website, right? So now let's go here. Let's go to our FortiGate, and let's go to security profiles, right? There, go to web filter. Okay, so let's create new here. Okay, and before anything else, we can give a name. Let's give as test for this. Okay, and here we have to enable this so we can block uh, the websites based on the category. Okay, here you will see a warning notification: this device is not licensed for the FortiGuard web filtering service, but this is licensed. Okay, this is it just not yet synced. Okay, so here we can check for so here we can see the cnn.com is under news and media category. Okay, so let's go to news and media category. Yeah, okay, here's it, and I just click on it and hit block. Okay, now this category of website should be blocked, and that is it for now. You can uh, uh, I'm not gonna go deep into these because these are just uh, look here or allow users to override block categories. So if I enable this and allow some users, specific users, to uh, bypass this block, so you can add those. So these are just add-ons comes with this service. Okay, blocked invalid URLs, URL filter. I mean, this is static URL filter, so we can add a specific I mean, we can manually add URLs and block, right? Those kind of options are there. So if we know the basics, it's fine. So now we have added this block this news and media category, and let's hit OK. Okay, now we have created this security policy. Now what we have to do is go to firewall policy, and this is the firewall policy that is used by the PCs or the users, right? And go to the uh, firewall policy, and then here let's enable uh, this web filter, and from this drop down menu we can select test. Okay, this is the one we just created. Okay, now yeah, it is added. Okay, now what I'll do is I will I think we have to enable this as well. And now I will click OK. Okay, now you can see we have added our security policy here. Go to our AVNG, and we can now check, right? you can see your connection is not private. So this is telling just the website is blocked. Okay. So that is URL filtering. So I hope you get the idea and also get the knowledge of how to configuring the URL filtering in FortiGate environment. So I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you find this valuable. And also thank you for watching till the end. And let's meet in the next video.